Usually, you do not want or need to apply edging to birch plywood, but for substrates like MDF or chipboard, they have to be hidden as they are unsightly. This video tells you how to do that if you do not have an edge banding machine. Ideally, you want the edging 4 mm wider than the workpiece. In this case, we have a panel that is 17 mm thick and our edging is 23 mm. Measure the length of the first edge to be banded and cut the edging 20 mm over size for some overhang both ends. Ensure both substrate and laminate are clean and free of dust and debris. Apply the adhesive onto the workpiece and spread to an even coat, ensuring the whole edge is covered. The glue has a high initial tack and a very short setting time, which is ideal for this sort of application. Position the workpiece so that the edging can overlap both faces. Apply pressure to the tape along the length of the edge, taking care to ensure the registration is consistent down the length of the face. With the Stanley knife, carefully cut the edging so that both ends are flush with the workpiece. This can be done either using a Stanley knife or a router. Using the face of the workpiece as a guide, trim the overhanging edging back, flush with the face. It usually takes 2 or 3 passes to do so. You can leave the edge banding to finish square with the workpiece with a 90-degree corner. An option is to profile the edging with a metal former. We have chosen the 2 mm bevel option here, and you can see this profiles the edge banding with a 2 mm bevel along the length of the edging. Now you have an edged panel that will last for years.